Hello traders, yeah, good morning. We can see that the event over the night has proved to invalidate our expectations of what the market would do. The USD dollar, as you can see on the screen on this chart, is still stronger at 110 per dollar. It has moved back from the candlestick. You can see these two candlesticks building a bullish engulfing candle, showing that the market is going to go back up, and this is so because of two things. One, the expectation of the news coming up today at 1:30 from USD called CPI, which is expected to show that inflation is still sticky and around in the US economy, is one of the things that is driving the US dollar upwards. You can see that it's going upwards. It's it's certainly getting momentum and getting strength despite the ECB rate that came in yesterday. Uh, the, what will be the outcome of the market is going to be determined between now and 1:30 p.m. whether this bullish momentum will continue or it is just a way that the market is trying to play, because the injection of the 75 bps hike is still in the market and trying to drive the euro up, which is the basic reason that the president of the ECB stated to be the reason for the hike yesterday. And then the second reason is that the Japanese market news came up at this morning today. They did not increase their rates. The rates will still remain at minus 0.1, leaving the market in the same stage and trying to factor in the COVID effect and trying to build the market from the ground gradually. The Bank of Japan has, however, factored in injecting some money into the economy to buy out the dollar and strengthen the yen. But then these are the effects and these are the repercussions where you see the market is going this way. So let's look at the Euro USD, which is the major asset that we're looking at considering the strength of USD. And when you look at the Euro USD, you can see that it's driving it down. In fact, it has driven it down below support of 0.996, 0.995, and it's going to go downward. The way the market is looking, it's red and it's going downward. What does this mean? It means that probably we will see the effect of the rate hike next week. From next week market, we'll see maybe the market will return to the bullish way. But right now, we have to stick and wait for the news coming out at 1:30 p.m. It's very important. I've said it earlier in my previous video that the market is driven basically by this news. They are the catalyst that determines how investors and marketers react and move and direct the market. The technical analysis will just show us the support and resistance, and right now on the euro we're going below a major support, and then it's possible that it will drive down below, but that will be between now and 1:30. So when we look at the crypto, you can see that BTC is also going down from the bullish movement on Monday. It is going down, it's going down. It has entered a reversal area around, that is around 20,200 and 20,500. But we have to be watchful given the strength of the dollars. I won't advise us to go into the market. So you can also see the Ethereum. It's also given the same thing. Ethereum is a little bit stable, but it's still hanging on in the 15,000, 1511. Yeah, you can see that it's still hanging on there. It's more stable, but it's still likely to retrace to about 14,400, 14,040. That is 1440, 1,440 thereabouts. It's a place that we expect to buy again Generally, we are hoping that the market is still bullish, but we must not take away the sentiment of the USD strength and the FOMC meeting, which is hanging over our neck next week. So, if you enjoy this video, please like. If you think otherwise, you can state your comment. Make your observation in the comment area so that we can interact and share ideas, and hopefully we trade and profit together. So that said, I will be back at around 1:30 or thereabout after the USD core CPI news drops, so that I will give us an update. But generally, we expect that the news will be sticky to support the bullish nature of the USD, and anything otherwise will support it will support anything otherwise will support the Euro USD and give us that drive above parity. So wish you good luck and have a profitable trading day.